Howdy, it's Friday, which means we have another Freebie Friday. So here it is for June 18th. To get this freebie, you can go to Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook, and it will be in the files. You can download it. And then if you post a picture using the freebie, there'll be a post about it. You can then win 50% off an item in my Etsy shop. So you will notice it coordinates with the Farmhouse kit. As I've been working in my journal, this is as far as I've gotten so far. I still need to work on my cover, but I have my pages cut down, and I kind of have them in an order I want. But I was noticing I had a lot of blue, but I wanted a little bit more of the peachy color. So that's why I really wanted more of my rooster. So I went back and made these. So there's more peach and the teal blue color. So yeah, all right. And I've cut them out. I did some inking, and I used, for the first time, my salvage patina, and I went around the edges. Now it's a little bit different than the color in the kit, but I've been dying to use my new distress ink and I want to play some more. So all I've done so far is just ink around the edges, and then I pulled out some ribbon, seam binding, silk, and then I also have the little bits cut out here. And then the other thing I did is I found some fabric in my stash, kind of the creamy color, and I did some stamping. So I did some stamping with the salvage patina, and it's really kind of faint. I mean, it would still work as a background color. And then on this fabric, it pops a little bit more. This might just be muslin and a little too see-through. So I just took my stamps, and I pulled out some stamps I haven't used yet from, what is this? Tiny Things 2, CMS 305. This is the first time I've used this two stamps before, but I hadn't used these guys. So there's a wheelbarrow, a small butterfly, and a rooster, which I thought was perfect. And then from his butterfly kit, I took that out, and then also from one of my favorites, the ticket kit. So then I just took some ink and did some stamping. So that's all I've done there. And I thought we could use those kind of as a layer or as a fun way to embellish the tags. All right. So maybe like this one. Let's use this wheelbarrow. I just love that there was a wheelbarrow in one of these little stamps. I also like when you can go through your stash and say, oh, I haven't used that, and then actually use it. Oh my gosh, it feels good. Instead of just letting it sit there and say, oh, I want to get to that. It's nice to actually get to that. Coffee dyed paper that I bought from Amour FabriQues. I don't know, I'm not committing. Maybe we need a pop of color here. Yeah, I'm struggling. Let me get out my stapler. And glue that on. Oops. There we go. Well, sorry, silk, and I think this will be it. Just a little embellishment on the corner. That silk is perfect color. All right, cute. This one, I think I'm just gonna put in like, I might stamp it later, but that pocket I think is pretty much ready to go. I think stamping on fabric just gives you another, you know, just something else to play with. A fun texture. And since it's not as crisp as it would be on paper, I just think it's another fun element to use. I wish what I had is something that said farm or farmhouse. This one says heartfelt, hanging out. Off duty, I like that one. Let's do heartfelt. This is from a citrus twist kit from ages ago. I would say I was a collector of citrus twist kits for a while. I collected them more than I used them. I'm just going to staple him on here. Just going to roughly cut around the line. I don't know. Here, doesn't sound like it. If I don't. I like that this can kind of move around and that you can see a little bit of the butterfly. I think I'll stitch right there. That'd be kind of cute. And then let's add speech. So this one. And pretty fun, easy freebie Friday this week. So here's our makes for today. Need something there. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you soon. The next thing coming up is a 4th of July junk journal kit. So be on the lookout for that. If you wanted to see the full farmhouse kit, I have a video flip through of the whole kit. If you would like to see a video using the Freebie Friday that I made to coordinate with this kit, if you would like to see the full farmhouse kit, I have a flip through of the kit here. If you would like to see what I made with Freebie Friday, click there. And have a wonderfully crafty day. I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye. No. No. If you wanted to see what's in the farmhouse kit, click on that video. If you wanted to see a make with a coordinating item from the farmhouse kit, click there. And I'll see you in the next video.